Navigating language. Understanding beam reach. Hello, everyone. Today we're setting sail on the seas of the English language to explore the meaning of the nautical phrase, beam reach. This phrase might not be familiar to everyone, especially if you're learning English as a second language, so we'll break it down together. Stick with us to discover not just what it means, but also how you can use it in conversation. Before we dive into the phrase, beam reach, let's set the stage by understanding some basic sailing terms. Sailing has a language all its own, with many unique terms used to describe the directions and actions of a sailboat. Knowing these will help you grasp the full meaning of beam reach. Now, let's get to the heart of our journey. Beam reach refers to a sailing boat's direction relative to the wind. Specifically, it's when the boat is sailing with the wind coming directly across the side, the beam, of the boat. This is often considered the fastest and most comfortable point of sail. Why is this important? Well, outside of sailing, this phrase can be used metaphorically to describe a situation where someone is moving forward effectively and with good balance. You might wonder, how can we use beam reach in everyday English? Although it's a niche term, it can be applied metaphorically in conversations to suggest progress and balance. For example, if someone is advancing steadily in their career or life, you might say they are on a beam reach. I hope this video has helped illuminate the phrase, beam reach, for you. Remember, language learning is like sailing. Sometimes you're against the wind, and other times you're on a beam reach, gliding smoothly towards your goals. Thanks for watching, and I wish you fair winds and following seas on your language learning voyage.